to Tamil Nadu.
Obiran?
Sir, sadly, we are creating one Hiroshima on the roads of India every year. 135,000 deaths were at Hiroshima, and India has a dubious world record now. We lose about 135,000 people on the roads of India due to road accidents. The first reason for the two big reasons for the loss, one is, of course, which I don't want to discuss today in 3 minutes, is what we call the golden hour, where within the first hour of an accident, you need to get critical care for the person who's had the accident. That's the one reason. The second broad reason, of course, and the big reason, is infrastructure. The UPA government had made a grandiose promise in 2009, UPA 2, that they would build 35,000 kilometers of highways in 5 years at an average of 19 kilometers every day. Sadly, sir, this figure is somewhere in the low single digits. Sir, there are many reasons why this is happening. One is, of course, environmental clearances. In a few areas, we understand there's land acquisition issues. But the biggest issue, sir, is clarity of funding and starved of cash, and concessioners across the board are finding the proposition of PPP a totally untenable proposition, be it in Andhra Pradesh, be it in Jaipur, be it in Jharkhand, be it in Haryana, be it everywhere. And in fact, the Kishangarh, Udaipur, Ahmedabad, that 7,500 crore project, there also the concessioners have walked out of this project. So this is a matter of serious concern. And if I could spend a few seconds on Bengal, in North Bengal, sir, the situation is very, very bad there because the highways have come to the creation of new highways has come to a complete stop. In Panagarh, sir, that is a 25 crore rupee project, sir. 2 crores have been sanctioned and it's caught up in all kinds of delays. And I don't want to go to the details here because National Highway 34 is a long, long national highway connecting various parts of Bengal. And that is connecting Bengal, and not only connecting Bengal, but connecting Bengal to parts of the northeast. And that has come to a grinding halt, sir. Sir, the minister has called for some introspection. I think the need of the hour, sir, is not introspection on these highways, because not only do they cause deaths, but we also have to realize that 80% of Indians still use road to get from point A to point B. 65% of freight is still moved on roads. Introspection is not the need of the hour, sir, for the highways. It is action. And we need some quick action from this ministry. Thank you, sir.
Okay.